So we're out here today in the passage again, and Tom's motor is not working again. It can't go very fast or it'll just stall. Alright, we're on to the first fish. It's only tiny. Oh, it's the smallest fish I've ever seen.
It's a little scat or something. It's really cool.
Smallest fish I've ever seen. Alright, second fish of the day, 5 minutes later.
Looks like a good fish. It's gonna go around.
Coming to the surface. Oh, grunter.
Yeah. Oh, he's a good.
Decent grunter. I'll just take the hook out for you. Look at that. Got me a few times then. Decent grunter. I'll measure him for you quickly. Wait, Tom, go on this side quickly. I just need to measure him.
Yeah.
Yeah. 28 centimeters. A decent little grunter. We'll let him go. Second fish. Tomo's on to his first fish.
Yeah.
Go, Tommy. Still a fish, right?
Oh,
That's a tiny grunter. I'll hold it up for the camera cover.
yeah, just gotta go hold it first. A junior grunter.
It's probably like 20 centimeters.
15 centimeters. That's my fourth grunter. Oh, that's good.
Good grunter for a tiny fish. I'll hold him up for the camera.
Hey.
Little grunter.
Look who got me.
Oh,
Another little grunter.
still another little grunter. Just another little one. Alright, so we're just pulling up anchor now because there's a storm rolling in and the wind just picked up like 10 knots, so I'm gonna head back in. Oh, the anchors are remote. I hate when that happens. Alright, we're gonna head back to the boat ramp now. Thank yous for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.